Hi, I'm Michael Lande, an assistant professor of mechanical engineering and the ER Stensis Chair for Engineering Education here at South Dakota Mines. We're here in my research lab, the Holistic Engineering Learning Lab and Observatory, or HELLO for short. I'm interested in making and engineering design and learning. My research focuses on three main areas. 1, the educational pathways of makers. 2, prototyping in design thinking. And 3, public engagement in making and engineering. So, through the lens of engineering education research and design thinking, we study the educational pathways of adult makers and young makers. We coined the term additive innovation to describe what we're seeing in an open and sharing community. And now we have a grant to study the learning trajectories of makers.
Hi, I'm Michaela and I'm a senior mechanical engineering student at South Dakota Mines. I do research with Dr. Lande in the HELLO lab. We're investigating how students learn design by how they draw their design process. We're looking at what the learning trajectory is between first-year students and seniors. When they come in as first-year students, they don't really have the engineering language and they have their own words to describe things. And after just one semester, they start picking up on that common language that we see the seniors using in their design process. We've also written a conference paper that we'll present at the American Society for Engineering Education conference this summer. I was curious about research opportunities at Mines, and I visited Dr. Lande's HELLO lab. I was also taking a senior elective in design thinking with Dr. Lande, and I thought that design processes and design thinking was something really interesting.
We also study practical ingenuity through prototyping in design thinking. We have a small makerspace in our lab and investigate how physical artifacts and iteration help people learn a design process.
Hi, I'm Jared White and I'm a junior mechanical engineering student and I work with Dr. Lande in the HELLO lab. Our research focus this year has been looking at how students prototype for the present and for the future. We found that the greeting cards developed for present day tended to be more empathetically driven designs, whereas the future greeting cards were more technology driven designs. I also worked with Dr. Lande and another professor on a project based around technical specifications. Through this project, I found an interest in engineering education and how engineers learn. With Dr. Lande and I wrote a conference paper that we will be sharing this summer at the American Society of Engineering Education conference.
There is also public engagement. I think of making as solving problems that one cares about with technology. We use creativity, invention, and social justice through hands-on design thinking exercises and making exercises on campus and throughout the community. Making is a research area, a way to teach mechanical engineering, and a way to engage people to solve big problems.